Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Creator. Alhamdulillah, I'm also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. So it's been a long time I've come here to share with you something, and nowadays I'm not making video for this one reason, that is approximately more than before 6 days I was playing football with my friends, and actually they are my friend. They are living also in my village. So I was playing football, and someone pushed me and I fall on the field. And for this reason, out of the blue, I was in trouble and I got injured. I was injured. So for this reason, as you can see, doctor has soothed. So for this reason, actually, after pushing him, when I saw that I injured, as soon as possible I went to our local market to get actually medicine to fresh my in my child. So for this reason actually, and after that doctor gave me so many medicine to take every day, and that was a more that was a powerful medicine. So for this reason, I was not able to make video, but right now today I'm feeling good. So for this reason I have come to make video. And you know that, guys, those who are learning English and those who are a beginner, actually we have to practice every day, because without practice it's not possible to get fluency, right? So for this reason we are bound to practice every single moment, so that we can speak fluently, spontaneously in front of any kinds of situation, any kinds of people. So but unfortunately, out of the blue, I'm not making video since on Saturday. So after 7 days I have come, and as you can see, it's a small rooftop. Okay, so uh, I can it's a small rooftop. As you can see, my behind side, so many pedicures I here, and I have come here with my friend. So in the afternoon, when I get time, when I want to go in any kinds of site, or actually this is my village, and I'm likely to visit, wander in my village, because my village is totally amazing. And as you can see, I think you are not able to watching people. They are sitting on the rail line, and also you are watching that here is so many building. Actually it's a government place. Okay, so right now I'm feeling so many problem for speaking English, because of I'm not practicing properly. For this reason, I'm feeling some problem, and I'm just thinking that I'm not well to make sentence properly. So guys, those are watching this video, I think you will understand my situation. So also I will upload the video in my social media as well as YouTube channel. So those who are following me, those who are like my video, and those who are like to listen my video or get something for your speaking, so you can follow me. And from the right now, I will try to practice English every single moment for my level best, so that I can speak English more fluent. Okay, so that's all about. I don't make it longer. Assalamu alaikum.